She's finally here. So I spent over $300 for this lamp, and I know that's really pricey, but I wanted this lamp for a pretty long time, and I ordered it actually from a different website, but it ended up being a scam, so I got my money back thankfully from that. But this is from Toronto. It's Unboxer. I've never seen this before, so let's open it up. Okay, there's a dimmer here, and it's supposed to attach to miffy. Okay, there you go. Oh, she's so cute. Okay, she's like my waist up. She's quite tall, so let me just show you. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Look at her, she's so adorable. I'm gonna put like a little bow. Oh, that'd be really cute. Okay, be right back. So I got this ribbon. I think it was from like a chocolate box, I believe. I'm gonna put it on her ear, but let me know what you think. I think the tie, there's already like a little bow here, so let's try it. I wish this bow was pink, but I think it'll be like pretty cute for Christmas. I'm hopefully going to get like a Christmas tree and everything like that. Oh, so cute. Oh, she's so cute. So I'm gonna plug her in now. So let's see what it looks like. So my plan was for this corner to put the shelving and then a bunch of plants on top. I'm super excited to go plant shopping. Look at this one, it's like dying. I feel so bad, I'm such a bad plant mom. So I'll probably do like a mix of like artificial and real plants. These vines here, so I'm just gonna use this temporarily, but I got this from Walmart. Came with like a pack of like 24, I think, and it'll be so cute. Like imagine like this in this corner. I'm measuring in between the shelves, so there's 3 and there are different sizes, but I really want them to be like at least maybe 10 centimeters apart. And this is a lot more laborious than I thought. I don't have an electric screwdriver, so I'm just manually putting it in the holes, but so far it looks pretty good. I like the height difference between like miffy and the shelf here, and it's not too high. So I just want to test out what it looks like with plants. Let's pretend I'm getting like a vine plant. I'm so tired. Second shelf, almost done. Let's see, putting my plants. So I'm just gonna put like light plants only. And the vases will probably be made of plastic. It took my blood, sweat, and tears, but it's cute. Now let's decorate. Look at this. I got this like probably more than 3 years ago with my friend, and it's like dying. I feel so bad for this cactus. I'm gonna try to get some more plants.